Hi student, welcome back to nice math Olympiad problem. In this problem, we are finding value of x if 5 into power x minus 2 is equal to 80. So now we are solving. Your question is 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 80. Don't skip any part of video. This is very important math Olympiad problem for 9th grade. Now in first step, we take log both sides. Now we are taking log both sides. Log of 5x minus 2 is equal to log of 80. Now this is our log here. Now we use formula log of MP is equal to P log of M. Now after applying this formula, we get x minus 2 into log of 5 is equal to log of 80. Now we write x minus 2 into log of 5 is equal to log of 80. Now we divide both sides by log of 5. After dividing both sides, we get this cut by this, remain x minus 2. We get x minus 2 is equal to log of 80 divided by log of 5. Now this will be we're solving 80. Now we know, as we know that 80 is equal to 5 multiplied by 16. We use x minus 2 is equal to log of 5 multiplied by 16 divided by log of 5. And now we use this formula log of AB, A into B is equal to log of A plus log of B. After using this, x minus 2 is equal to log of 5 plus log of 16 divided by log of 5. A plus B divided by C is equal to A divided C plus B divided by C. And this will be x minus 2 is equal to log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus log of 16 divided by log of 5. This cut by this remain 1. And now 1 plus log of x minus 2 is equal to 1 plus log of 16 divided by log of 5. Now we solving x minus 2 is equal to 1. Add this plus 2, it's plus 2, this cut by this, and this is 3. X is equal to 3 plus log of 16 divided by log of 5. As we know that 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 4. We are putting this x is equal to 3 plus log of 2 into 4 divided by log of 5. Again apply formula log of m into p is equal to p log of m. And this will be x is equal to 3 plus 4 log of 2 divided by log of 5. Log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of a base b, and that's equal to x is equal to 3 plus this 4 and log of 2 4 log of 2 base 5. This is our final value of x. This is our value of x. X is equal to 3 plus 4 log of 2 base 5. Now we are verifying this. Our question is five into power x minus 2 is equal to 80. And our x is 3 plus 4 log of 2 base 5. 5 into 3 plus 4 log of 2 base 5 minus 2 is equal to 80. And this will be 5 into 1 plus 3 minus 3 is also 1. 4 log of 2 base 5 is equal to 80. A into m plus n is equal to a into power m into a into power n. And this will be 5 into power 1 into 5 into power 4 log of 2 base 5 is equal to 80. This will be 5 into 1 is 5 into 5 into log of 2, this 4 move to this side, 2 into 4 base 5 is equal to 80. And this will be 5 into 4, 2 into 4 is 16, and 5 into log of 16 base 5 is equal to 80. We use this formula here. A log of BA is equal to B, and 5 into 16 is equal to 80, and this will be 80 is equal to 80. Our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Our answer is now verified, and the value of x is 3 plus 4 log of 2 base 5. Hope you will understand. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Goodbye.